the 540. It's been sitting for a few days, so this is what it's leaked out over the period of a couple of days. The engine bay isn't terrible, but I know for sure it does have some typical vacuum leaks. I know these break all the time. So this, of course, broke. And it does sound like there is an exhaust leak on this side. It just sounds like it's a little bit leaking from the headers, but I'll go ahead and start it up. This is after first sitting, I want to say 2-3 days, probably more. I haven't driven it in probably 2 weeks. So this is the first startup. A little noisy on first start. After a couple seconds of warming up, just how it sounds. Super quiet, doesn't sound like there's any ticking, any knocking, nothing. You just hear the secondary air pump, and that's it. You can hear it sounds like an exhaust leak. But other than that, this thing's super quiet. It just needs to be driven. Nothing spitting out the exhaust. No weird idle issues, no stumbling. Interior's really good condition except for the driver's seat has just some harsh wear from sitting and one crack there. Other than that, a good refresh, and this thing looks mint. No check engine light, traction control lights on, but that's about it. I'll give you a small rev. You can for sure hear the exhaust leak when you rev it. Now that it's running, you can kind of see it is dripping. I wasn't gonna put much work into this car, and I originally was just gonna part it out and use parts for the M5, but I decided to keep it and save it, and now I'm trying to trade it or just sell it and let someone else finish it up and have a clean car.